This is tutorial number 29, and it is the mirror body feature within Solidworks. Now to start this tutorial off, let's open up Hinge 3, which is given in the part files. Now let's take the front view, zoom out a bit. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take this part, body, and mirror it along the top plane. So when we're done, we're going to have this part down here in the mirror image. Now in real life, why you would want to make a mirror image of a part is when you have a left-hand side and a right-hand side. Instead of making the left-hand side of the part and the right-hand side of the part, all you have to do is make one side of the part, mirror it to the other side. This could be like in a car, if you have a left side body panel and you need to make the right-hand side too. Instead of making both body panels, you make the left-hand side, mirror it to the right-hand side, and that's it. Okay, so for this tutorial, all we have to do is click the mirror function, click the body to mirror, and click the actual body we want to use. Then the plane that we're going to put it on is the top plane. And you can see in yellow the example of what's going to come out. Now uncheck these two boxes, click OK. And now we've made the mirror image of our part. Now, I had to make the top one and the bottom one because it was a circular disc that they had to hold on to. Now, I also had to make two more hinges on the other side, so now I'll show you how to do that. Click the mirror. For the plane, this time, we're going to use the right plane. Click the bodies, click both of the bodies, unclick, and accept. And from one part, we've been able to make the left-hand side, the right-hand side, and the inverses of both. This concludes our tutorial on the mirror bodies feature.